Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see a chili crab, a Rangoon Road Chili Crab. Let's see the ingredients required. 2 crabs, about 300 grams in weight. Oil for deep frying the crabs. About 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. 1.5 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, half a teaspoon of fish sauce, a teaspoon of crushed garlic, spring onion cut fine, a teaspoon of crushed ginger, a few curry leaves, optional, a few coriander leaves, 2 green chilies sliced fine, a few drops of pure sesame oil to drizzle in the end. The wok is nice and hot. Let's add the oil. The oil is nice and hot. Let's gently drop the crab pieces in the hot. It's turning orange, so it's done almost. That's the beauty of crab meat. It cooks very fast. They're almost done. You can see they've all turned orange. That's the indicator for you. Now let's remove them from the hot oil. Let's just crack the shell so that the sauces get into it. Repeat with the remaining pieces. If you have this kind of a scissors at home, fine. Otherwise, no problem. Just take your hand pestle, give it one shot and crack the shell of the legs of the crab. If you don't have that also, give it a shot with the knife. Now let's prepare the sauce. The oil is hot. Now let's add the ginger pieces. The garlic, the green chilies, oh lovely smell, the white portion of the spring onion, saute it. Now we are adding the soy sauce, the tomato ketchup, wow, 100 ml of water. Now it's beginning to cook well, so now let's add the crab pieces. Please note that we are not adding any salt because all the sauces have salt in them. Let the pieces get coated nicely with the, smells really yum. And so easy. Let's sprinkle a few curry leaves. You could check the balance of the spice and salt in the sauce. If you think you need a little more, you can. Now let's add the finely chopped coriander leaves. Let's add the fish sauce in the center of the wok. So it gets into the sauce, mix it well and stir all the pieces. Now the green portion of the spring onions goes into the wok. Now just before switching off the gas, let's drizzle with a few drops of the sesame oil. Oh my God, what a flavor this has. Now I'm going to switch off the gas. Never add your fish sauce or the pure sesame oil in excess. Just a few drops of both will really change the flavor of the dish. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com. For all your non-veg requirements as well, click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.